Mastering uncommon phrases. Dress the chairs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase, dress the chairs. It's not a common expression, but understanding such phrases can deepen your comprehension of English nuances. Let's explore its meaning and usage together. Dress the chairs is a phrase that's not typically found in everyday conversation. It's an idiomatic or metaphorical expression, meaning the phrase should not be understood based only on the individual words. To dress something often means to decorate or prepare it, while chairs are common pieces of furniture. However, when combined, the phrase can take on a unique meaning. Historically, dress the chairs might have been used in the context of theater or event planning, where chairs are decorated or arranged in a particular manner for a play or a special event. It implies attention to detail and a careful arrangement to ensure everything looks perfect. In modern times, you might encounter dress the chairs in a creative or stylistic context. For example, in interior design, it could refer to adding covers or decorations to chairs to match a specific theme or aesthetic. It's about adding a final touch that enhances the overall appearance. While it's not a common phrase, using dress the chairs in the right context can add a unique flair to your language. It's best used in situations related to decor, design, or event planning. For example, before the guests arrive, we need to dress the chairs with these silk ribbons. Dress the chairs is a phrase rich with visual and stylistic nuance. Understanding such expressions can give you a unique edge in mastering the English language. We hope this exploration has been insightful and adds a creative spark to your language journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.